Hello, my fellow yarn bombers. My name is Michael, and I am the Crafty Crocheter, and I wanted to discuss something with y'all. Nothing terrible. It's just something that's been on my mind lately. Again, nothing terrible. So, I was watching one of my fellow followers' videos about his yarn haul, and he reflected back to my past video of my shopping trip to Walmart, and he had mentioned how in my video my yarn aisle seemed to be half the size of the aisle itself, because in the one video there's like half the aisle is for one for like a styrofoam for flowers and whatnot, like the fake flowers and whatnot, then the other half is for the actual yarn and the accessories. So then I thought, okay, so all the other yarn Walmarts I've been to in my other videos, my more recent videos, the yarn aisle seemed to be larger and more expansive than the Walmart in the video where the aisle was just half yarn and half styrofoam. So has anyone else's Walmart been like this? I'm going to say not all Walmarts are created equal in the aspect of yarn and yarn accessories, because like in Creative Grandma's videos, in her Walmarts, it seems like the aisles are really expansive and all the shelves are full of yarn, like Red Heart yarn and Burnett and so on and so forth. But it just seems like not all Walmarts are created equal when it comes to yarn aisle sizes. Like in my last recent video when I went to Hobby Lobby as well, the yarn aisle at Walmart in that particular location was the entire aisle. On the one side of the aisle was all yarn and accessories, and then they had some on the filler on the end aisles. They also had some yarn as well. So it's just more of an observation, really, that not all Walmarts are created equal when it comes to yarn. So has anybody else seen us in their local Walmarts? Like if they go to one Walmart, then they go to another Walmart that's nearby their location, and have y'all noticed the difference in the size of the aisle versus the size of the aisle at your original location that you first went to? So yeah, I thought I'd bring that up because again, not all Walmarts are created equal. So everyone's day is going well today, and grab those crochet hooks, grab that yarn, and create something beautiful today. And I am thinking of doing a video for our yarn organization because, as you can tell, this is getting out of control, and I have yarn over here, and I got yarn underneath the desk you can't really see, and I have yarn upstairs in a suitcase. So I just wanted to, and I am thinking of moving my yarn studio from where I'm at now to another location in my home, to where it's like a big space up in my attic, to where I can put my tables and my shelves and all my yarn into one central location, so I'm not going every which way but loose to find the yarn I need. Plus I want it to look nice. So I may do like a before then an after shot or something like that. So, and I also was thinking, in my recent post I mentioned about wanting to do a tutorial video for the Janie Crow Marrakesh tiles blanket. And the more I thought about it, the more I thought maybe I shouldn't go that route, because again, she did put her time and thought processes into designing the blanket and to sell her pattern online. So I'm gonna maybe do more of like tips, or if y'all have any questions or tips about the blanket, just to reach out to me and I can maybe address those in a video without giving away the entire design pattern for free, because it's not right that Janie put all this time and effort into the pattern and selling it on her like Ravelry and Etsy shops, and just to have people put the pattern online for free and not give her full credit for the design. So let me know if that's a better avenue versus just doing a series of videos and just giving away the entire pattern for free, which again, I don't think it's fair or right. So yeah, so let me know what you think about that. So on that note, be kind to each other, help each other out, love each other, spread love and not hate. We gotta yarn bomb this place, and to make the world more beautiful and spread creativity throughout the universe. And I am also thinking about doing a crochet hook review video, because I was working with the 2 sets of hooks that I'm going to review, and so I thought I would owe it to y'all to organize that and to make it better. So that's all I got for today, guys. So hope your day's going well. Enjoy the time on Earth while we still have it. And on that final note, take care of yourself and each other.